Hi, my peeps. Hi, my subscribers, my family, my friends, my relatives, all who subscribes, all who make a comment. Thank you very much. Big up to you every time. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure for you to subscribe to my channel. Alright? And over here, I do great things. Make juice, cook food, do every little thing in the home. Alright? So today now I'm going to make some different juice. So I have my fruits here. I have about 3 fruits here. Okay, some of them is frozen, so it will look away, but it's all good. So I'm going to show it to you now, and tell me where you're watching from, where you're viewing from. Okay, let me know. How are you doing today? Is it okay? God is good all the time, and remember to put God in everything and put him first. All right, I'm going to show you my frozen, as I say, some of them is frozen fruits. Okay, watch the process. I hope you can see. Okay, all right, over here now I have some celery. Do you know celery? As I say, you can put it in a soup or whatever. So I'm going to put it in my blender, and I have melon. It's frozen. When it stays too long and you don't frozen it, it will spoil. So what I do when I buy it, I put it in the freezer. I slice it up and put it in the freezer. And this is my strawberry. It is frozen. Doesn't matter. These are some more strawberries and my celery. Okay, and you can put this in your soup. Okay, so I'm going to blend it and let you see. So my strawberry, my celery, and my melon. No ginger. Ginger is good, but you can put ginger in yours. So watch the process as I go, as I show you how I'm making my juice. Okay, is that look beautiful? It's so beautiful. Okay, I'm going to put some more in it. Some more celery. Let me know if you know this. If you ever eat it before, or make juice or cook it, just let me know. I have some more here. This is the rest of it. This is a melon, and as I say, this is a strawberry, which is frozen. If you don't frozen them, put them in the freezer, they will spoil. You can see. Let me put it a bit. All right. See my subscribers and viewers, and then you use a spoon. Hopefully this will not fall. All right, let me put it in this one. Okay, like this. It's a bit thick, so you can put water on it if you don't want to. You can see that. You can put a little bit more water in it like this. You can rewash again. But it's nice to put ginger in it. Very nice. On the weekend I'm going to get some ginger. Alright. So I'm going to put this here for the time. Alright. Put this away. can see it. And I have some here. I'm going to put this in it later. Clean it, keep your ear clean. And as I say, guys, you can if you buy your fruits and you wanted to make juice and you're not ready yet, or you have some left over, you get a Ziploc bag like this, wash it, cut it in small pieces, put it in a Ziploc bag, and you can put it in your freezer, and it will serve you until you're ready. That's what I do with mine, because when you keep it too long at the bottom of the fridge, it tends to spoil. So I cut it, put it in the freezer, and just take out a little and use it to make my juice. Okay, so you can do just the same, and let me know where you're watching from. All right, and let me know if you love my video. That's my juice. I'm going to show it now. I'm going to put it into two glasses and let you see what is happening there. You can see, and then you can put a little ice in it. You can see, my viewers and my subscribers, that's my strawberry, my celery, and my melon. All right, you can see strawberry. That's my juice. Okay, and as I say, you don't need to put any sugar in it, and you can just put your ginger, and the ginger give it a better taste, but I don't have any ginger, so I'm just showing you how I make my juice. All right, do you love it? Tell me, when will you be coming for it? Make a comment on my juice. Suggest what juice can I put to, what fruits can I put together to make a juice for you. All right, love you guys. You take care of yourself, and remember to put God first in everything. You can see, that's my juice. All right, and you can put a little, because it is frozen, I don't put any ice in it because it's already been cool, but you can put ice in yours, and it is so refreshing for a very hot day. All right, so you take care of yourself and big up yourself every time. Love you guys. Take care and be good to yourself. Thank you for my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you. You're a blessing. You're so good. All right, love you, and you take care of yourself, and this is my finished product to you. All right, let me know if it's looking good. All right, so you take care. Bye bye. Next time, see you on my next video, and I show you different fruits so you can try this fruit at home. All right, take care. Love you. Bye bye.